It's interesting how Nobara and CachyOS have both gained traction in the Linux community, yet they represent two very different philosophies when it comes to performance and accessibility. Nobara, built on Fedora, focuses on user-friendliness and gaming convenience. Nobara was designed primarily to simplify the Linux experience for gamers and creators. The developer, Glorious Eggroll, who's also known for his work on Proton GE, wanted to make Fedora more practical out of the box. That's why Nobara comes preloaded with multimedia codecs, NVIDIA drivers, and gaming packages like Wine, Lutris, and OBS, the kind of setup you'd otherwise spend hours configuring manually. Essentially, it takes Fedora's stability and adds all the convenience that users migrating from Windows expect. On the other hand, CachyOS approaches performance in a more technical and meticulous way. Its developers optimize everything, from compiler flags to kernel configurations, to ensure maximum responsiveness. The distribution uses performance-tuned kernels, supports multiple schedulers, and even provides pre-built binaries optimized for different CPU architectures. This level of optimization isn't just marketing fluff. It actually translates to noticeably faster application launches and lower latency in certain workloads, especially on modern CPUs. But while CachyOS thrives on speed and efficiency, it can feel intimidating to newcomers. Its Arch foundation means it inherits a lot of manual setup steps and complexity, even though the Cachy team has tried to automate the installation process. Nobara, meanwhile, lowers that barrier completely. It's plug and play. You install it, reboot, and everything just works. It's less about control and more about experience. Another major difference lies in their update philosophies. Nobara follows Fedora's lifecycle, meaning updates are frequent but carefully managed through version upgrades. CachyOS, being rolling release, constantly delivers the newest packages straight from upstream Arch repositories, along with its own performance tweaks. This gives users access to the latest Linux technology sooner, but it also means there's more maintenance required to keep the system stable. When it comes to gaming, Nobara clearly takes the lead for plug-and-play compatibility. Steam, Proton, and DXVK are pre-installed and tuned, while CachyOS leaves it up to the user to configure. In a way, they complement each other. One focuses on accessibility, the other on control. Both are proof that Linux doesn't have to be one-size-fits-all. It can adapt to whatever kind of user you want to be, whether that's a gamer, a developer, or a pure tinkerer at heart.